Today I'm announcing £40 million for universities here in Wales, guaranteed funding for student support, well-being and financial hardship. Many thousands of students, unfortunately, have not been able to return to campus yet. In some cases, this means you might still be paying for your accommodation. That is simply unfair if you're at home and studying online. I'm pleased that many of our universities have moved quickly and are sorting out rent rebates and providing other support services. The Welsh Government funding that I'm announcing today will help universities with those costs and I hope will go a long way to addressing student worries. Universities will also use this funding to ensure that lateral testing can continue to help keep students, staff and communities safe. If you're a student here in Wales, your university or Students' Union will be able to provide you with further information about the support that is available. Diolch yn fawr.